Hello, my name is Kelsey McPherson, and I will be teaching how to write in and convert to from Babylonian. The Babylonian numeration system only uses two numbers, 1 and 10. To make a number higher than 99, the Babylonians use place values. And even though this system was made about the same time as the easier Egyptian system, they were more advanced due to the fact that they did use place values. The Babylonian system uses the symbols these. So this one represents 1, and this one represents 10. And with the ones, depending on where it's placed at in the place value, it can either represent 1 or 1 times 60 or 1 times 60 times 60. It all depends on where it's placed at. With the 10, it doesn't matter because it will always represent 10. So here is a problem to look at. So say you have the number 55. In Babylonian, you would put down 5 tens, like that. Then you would put 5 ones. That is how you would write 55 in Babylonian. So you've got your 5 tens, and you've got your 5 ones. So when you want it to convert it back, you would simply write it in expanded form. So you would rewrite it to 3, 4, 5. So then you would put an equal sign. And since you have 5 tens, you write 5 times 10 plus 5. You don't have to put times 1 because anything times 1 equals itself. And then equals 50 plus 5, which equals 55. It's as simple as that. So now for a harder one. So say that we had the number 102. Writing that in Babylonian, you would write it like this. So this one right here is in your 60s value, and it represents your 1 times 60, or 60 in this case, doesn't matter. And then this one is in your tens, and you've got 4 of them, so you've got your 4 times 10. And then this one is your ones, and you've got your 2 times 1. So that is how you would represent your 102. Now notice this space right here between your 1 times 60 and your 4. So this would represent your place value. And that is how they would indicate that it was a different place. Whereas we just have the, you've got your ones, your tens, and your hundreds. These is your ones, your tens, and then space to equal your 60s, or an equivalent of our hundreds in our counting. So that's what the space means. So to convert it back, you would simply rewrite it. So you have that. So it would equal your 1 times your 60 plus your 4 times 10 plus your 2, which equals 60 plus 40 plus 2. Now the reason that they wrote it this specific way is if you had written 6 60s and put them in the 60s spot, which is, your spot right here, then it would be way too big of a number than 102. So if you'll look at how you add this together, 60 plus 40 equals 100 plus 2, which equals 102. So that is why they wrote your 4 tens instead of your 6 60s like you would think to do in ours. So now for a definitely hard one. Say we have the number 7,894. So to write that in Babylonian, it would look like this. Looks like a lot of numbers, huh? So this one is your 3600s place. This one right here is your 60s. Then you've got your 10s, and you've got your 1s. Pretty simple, same idea. And then again, notice the space right here in between to indicate your place values. So to write it in expanded notation, again, rewrite your number. So that's what it is. It equals, and then you've got 2 3600ths plus 11, because you've got your 10 plus your 1. See that? So once you do your do that, you've got 1160s plus your 34. You've got your 3 10s and your 4 1s. See that? So that all equals 7,200 plus your 660 plus your 34, which equals your 7,894. It's actually very simple. Now, to do a few on your own, try these. Write them in Babylonian and then convert them back and see how well you do. That's it.